So, what's your name?
Aubrie Jean,
And what's your title?
Miss California.
And what's your platform?
Change for chickens.
And tell us about Change for Chickens.
The people put money in here, and then you give the money to African children who don't have food, and then they use the money to buy the chickens.
Cool. So tell me about the can that you did. Did you make that can?
Yes.
How do you make the can?
Well, first, since you see I am here, in here, you have to take the girl and then put it on a different picture, and then erase the stuff that's in the background.
Oh, so you like Photoshop it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me see the back.
Back?
Oh, so you just print it out and you put it around a can?
And here's the hole to put.
How does the hole get there?
Well, Papa Parks makes the hole get out, like, I don't know how he...
Maybe with a knife?
Probably.
So what do you want your sister queens to do?
Well, do what I did, but they have to find a picture like this.
Oh, they have to Photoshop a picture?
They have to find, like, a chicken picture.
Oh, okay.
And the other one, I have another one.
Uh-huh.
It's this size, too.
Okay, so it can be any chicken picture?
Yes.
Okay, so then what do they do with the cans? Where do they put the cans?
Well, they put the cans at the church where it gives change for chickens, and then you make another one.
Uh-huh.
And then...
Could they put it at their work?
Yeah.
Where they work? Is
Yeah.
Anyways going to put one at her work?
Yes.
Yeah? Did Mommy take some to work too?
Well, she had a bag and she took it to work, and then she told her friends from work to put money in here.
Mm-hmm.
And then when she was done with work, she bring the bag back home with the money in it, and then she puts the money in this.
Oh, so now that you have a can, though, she can take the can to work.
Yes.
Cool. And Anyways is going to have one in her classroom, huh?
Yes.
So tell us what happens when it's full.
Well,
When it's full of money, then what does it do?
then you take it to African children.
Well, you don't take it, but
Well,
so your sister queens
yeah.
will send the money to you,
Yes, and
and then you will take it where?
to African,
To your church,
yes.
and they will send the money to Africa?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
And then when they send it to the people, then they have money to buy chickens.
Yeah, and what are they going to do with the chickens?
The chickens are going to lay eggs, and then so they'll have an egg to eat.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then what else can they do with the chickens?
And then
Can they make more chickens?
yes, they could. The chickens lay eggs, and then the babies are in there.
Oh, so they can make more chickens by having babies?
Yeah.
Wow. So this is a food source that just keeps giving, huh?
Yeah.
What a great idea, Miss California.
Yeah. I can't balance it all well.
Oh, okay. So do you want to say anything else to your sister queens about Change for Chickens before we go?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, okay. Well, can you smile next to your can and show us Change for Chickens? Okay, say goodbye.